right. We are so close to be done. But here, one important point about genes and environment is reaction range. Reaction range means range of ability and skills that genes set. For example, environment and experience that can actually impacting you and make you whatever you are now. One example here can be sunflower seeds. For example, whenever you're just trying to plant sunflowers, you would use a lot of seeds, but some of them might make it, but the rest might not ever. Which means like the environment is important because like you have to actually look for a good soil, specific time in each year, adequate sunlight and water. And providing all those, it is kind of hard. And even you would provide all of them, maybe some of those seeds, they cannot make it again. So it is not like having a good environment, having a good genes, always can just make to a specific behavior. No, this is not the case because a lot of elements are interacting all together. Another example here is you can see four different genotypes. Genotype D is just the best for basketball skills. Like you can see here, even in a bad environment, even in a restricted environment, they can make it to be an average basketball player. Yet, even in a like enriched environment, a genotype A, which is not that much good in basketball skills, cannot make it, right? Even in a great environment, a lot of classes, a lot of training, still they are suffering. Another point is genotype C. You can see that if we would put genotype C and D in a restricted environment, genotype D is better because they do have the best genetics for being a basketball players. Yet, as someone with just genotype C in a great environment can surpass genotype D at some point because they do have some capability inside and they do have a good environment, so eventually they're gonna make it. So talent is important, but if you would be in, let's say, a bad environment, a bad neighborhood, it is so hard to just make it happen. And like sometimes a person with average talent can just surpass you. So whenever we are talking about genes and environments and their relationship, we should consider different types of children. We have like passive environments, which means like everything gonna be provided by family. For example, if your parents would be singers, like let's say Beyonce and Jay-Z, you as Blue Ivy, you're gonna be a singer someday because you have like the talent from mom and dad, and you're gonna have the environment, so everything is just possible for you. I mean, you have everything. If you have any question, you can just literally ask them. They are just over there to just answer you. So the child here is just passive. The environment here is just passive as well.